Hello, everyone. A warm welcome, whether you're listening live or to the recording. Thanks for joining me. This is a round of abundance tapping. Also, an invitation to join me tomorrow for the abundance call that's at 10 a.m. Pacific. And it's part of the abundance membership. We do two calls a month. It's really fun. We do meditation, visualization, and then writing to the universe, the divine. There's abundance tapping. We do some dance. And then there's a get it done section if you've been procrastinating on taking action on something that's important to you. So it's really fun. It's recorded if you can't make it live. And I'll put it in the chat just so you have the link if you want to check it out. It's super inexpensive. It's $44 for the month. You get two calls. And you also get the program Money Magic, which is pre-recorded. You'll get as soon as you sign up. And you can join for a month or you can join for as long as you like. It's a really lovely group. And yeah, it's really fun. I love the different tools that you use in the class. And yeah, highly recommend it. So today we're doing a round of tapping. Tapping on your collarbone. We're going to do a round on clearing blocks to abundance. And if you feel stuck, I was just talking to somebody who's on the call who was saying that they feel sad and frustrated and they have like a set point, like it never really goes. This can be a common issue. You know, where you only make a certain amount of money or you save a certain amount, and it never tends to grow. So we're going to do a round of tapping on that, clearing blocks to abundance. And if you want to change the words, you can change the words if I say anything that doesn't resonate and use your words. You may find what I say resonates. Okay, so tapping on the karate chop point, repeat after me. Even though I have all these blocks to abundance, and I don't know how I can let them go. Maybe it doesn't seem possible. I wonder who I'd be without these blocks. Close your eyes, deep breath. Even though part of me has this sadness and frustration about making more money and saving more money and bringing more money into my life. And I don't know how I can let this go. Maybe it doesn't feel safe. I can't relax about this. I have to be on guard. But I accept who I am and I appreciate my feelings. Close your eyes, deep breath, everyone. Ah. Even though I have all this sadness and frustration about money and making more, growing my money, and bringing in a new level of abundance. I love and accept myself anyway. Close your eyes, deep breath. And then we're going to the eyebrows, so where the brow ends near the nose. All this frustration and sadness about feeling stuck around money, making more money. Side of the eyes, I'm so mad about it. I'm so sad about it. It's so frustrating. I work so hard and I feel like my money never really grows. There's always something that I need to pay for. All these blocks to making more money, all this sadness and disappointment, this frustration. I am so mad and sad about it. I try so hard. It's really hard to up level my finances and bring in a new level of abundance, so that I can relax and feel peaceful. All this fear and worry about money, feeling frustrated and sad, feeling mad at myself and them about this situation. It's so unfair. Part of me wants to hide out. I'm so tired. Go away. Leave me alone. Back off. It's exhausting. This frustration and sadness, this loss of power about money and growing my money and bringing in more money. I would really like to feel safe to let go of being general manager of the universe and give this to the divine or the universe or God, whatever word resonates, to handle. I don't need to do this all by myself. I really want to feel safe to relax about everything, to trust the divine order of my life, that good will come out of these challenges and good lies before me. Deep breath. It's safe to relax and enjoy the journey. Listening to my inner wisdom. I know what to do. I'm calling my power back from all dimensions of time and space. It is safe to shine, safe to be me. It's safe to succeed. I'm grateful for the good. I'm grateful for the money I do have. I'm grateful for the savings I have, or radical gratitude. If you guys have debt, I'm grateful for the debt I have. It's like money received ahead of time. I'm grateful for all the good. And I celebrate how far I've come. And I love feeling calm and peaceful. I'm expanding my capacity to receive all the good the divine has for me, the universe has for me. It's possible for me to make and save more money. I'm allowed to make and save more money. I give myself permission to make and save more money. I'm working less and earning more. Making money is fun and easy. Thank you for the money I have already. Thank you. More, please. I love having fun making more money. Making more money is fun and easy. I'm expanding my capacity to receive new levels of money. from happy surprises and expected income. I'm open to up-leveling my finances and feeling very abundant and provided for. Making money is easy. I'm so excited about this new chapter. I am ready now. Making money is easy. My income is constantly increasing. And I love growing my money. Life loves me. Thank you, Divine. Thank you, Universe, for all the abundance I have. Expanding my capacity to receive a new level of love, abundance, support, pleasure, creativity, play, fun, and ease. Life loves me. Hands on your heart, 3 deep breaths. The best is yet to come. Tuning in, taking a moment to see what you're present to, asking the superconscious mind to do a massive healing on any blocks to receiving a new level of abundance. And just notice how you're feeling and if there's any next right actions coming through. What's the next right step so that you can up level and bring in a new level of abundance? Okay. Sharon, I don't know whether you want to write in the chat what number you're at now and what you're present to, if there's anything you want to report back. Oh, and I'm going to put that link in the chat too for the abundance membership. So, yeah, drink lots of water. And what's the next right action? It could be drink some more water. It could be make that phone call or clear my clutter. Very good. Thank you. And allow yourself to really relax and tune in, expand yourself to all the possibilities that are available. And then Sharon, I don't know what's remaining, what you're present to. Do you feel lighter? Or are you still feeling stressed? Like, if you want to share a little bit about what's opening up for you. And enjoy me, an invitation to everyone who's listening to this to join me tomorrow for a deeper dive for the Abundance Membership, 10 a.m. Pacific. It's a lovely group and it's fun and it's just a really nice reset. You can join, like I said, for a month or for as long as you like. I'm super excited to be with any of you who decide to join me tomorrow. And if you have any questions, you can stay on. I'm going to pick a card for the group. Reflection. The 2 is the priestess, speaking your truth, being true to yourself. The world is nice financially, and it's talking about prayer, meditation, quiet time, like really being still, listening to your inner wisdom. And simplicity, clear out the clutter, make it simple. As I mentioned on a call the other day, it's the end of the year of the snake. Keep letting go. You've got a couple of weeks just to keep clearing out the old and allowing yourself to move into this Chinese New Year where you can move forward. Keep clearing out your clutter, mind clutter, body clutter, and physical clutter. And let's see. And Sharon said, I found out. Oh, teary, yes, to feel safe. Oh, good. I already don't remember what you said. Ah, good. Wonderful. Yeah, and if anyone needs a deeper dive, like you would like a private session, sometimes it's nice to do a deeper clearing. Feel free, you can connect with me on my website. I'll put the link below. Um, and giving yourself the gift of support if that's something you desire or you feel like you would need. You know, when if I'm having a hard time, I'm always like, okay, I'm going to get support so that I can, feel supported in the challenging times. All right. Well, thanks for listening. Reach out if you have questions and sending you all much love.